Hi friends, this video shows how to change Wi-Fi password in Canon EOS R50 camera. You can see that this Canon camera Connect app is not connecting to this camera because I have changed password of Wi-Fi router. I have changed the password of my home Wi-Fi router. So that is why it's not connecting. So I have to change the password in this camera, Wi-Fi password. So in camera, go to menu, then select the fourth option from top, then select option 1, then select advanced connection, then select connect to smartphone. Then if you have to select this mobile name, now it's searching, then press info button on the camera. Then here we have to select the Wi-Fi. So Airtel my Wi-Fi, that is my home Wi-Fi name. Select it. So here we can change the password. We can enter the new password here. After that, select OK. Now it's connecting. Please wait. Select auto settings. Select OK. Select disable here. Then select OK. OK, connected. You can see this camera has assigned one IP address 192.168.1.8, and here you can see it's connected in the mobile phone with the new password, new Wi-Fi password. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.